Welcome to MiniToy Quizzer. Get ready to challenge your brain with sea animals. Quiz Challenge. We've got 50 amazing questions lined up just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. Let's get started. What is the largest animal in the ocean? Blue whale. It's the biggest animal on Earth, reaching up to 100 feet long. Which sea animal has 8 legs? Octopuses have 8 arms used for movement and catching prey. What do dolphins primarily eat? Fish dolphins are carnivores and mostly eat fish and squid. Which sea creature has a hard shell and pincers? Crabs have a hard exoskeleton and 2 claws. What is the fastest fish in the ocean? Sailfish can swim up to 68 miles per hour, making them the fastest fish. Which ocean animal is known for its black and white color? Orcas or killer whales are easily recognized by their black and white bodies. What do you call a group of fish swimming together? A school is a group of fish moving in the same direction. Which animal is known as the unicorn of the sea? Narwhals have a long spiral tusk like a unicorn's horn. What type of animal is a clownfish? Fish. Clownfish are small, colorful fish often found in coral reef. What sea creature is famous for having a stinger? Jellyfish. Jellyfish use their tentacles to sting and capture prey. Which animal uses echolocation to find food? Dolphins use sound waves to locate prey underwater. What is the name of the largest species of shark? Whale shark. Whale sharks can grow over 40 feet long and are filter feeders. Which animal can regrow a lost arm? Starfish can regenerate lost arms over time. What creature looks like a floating umbrella? Jellyfish. Their bell-shaped body looks like a transparent umbrella. Which sea animal has a beak-like mouth? Octopuses have a beak used to bite and eat prey. What is the only mammal that lives entirely in water? Manatees are fully aquatic marine mammals. What is a baby shark called? Young sharks are called pups, just like baby dogs. Which animal has a spiral-shaped shell? Sea snails have coiled spiral shells on their backs. Which ocean animal can camouflage itself by changing color? Octopuses change color to blend into surroundings or communicate. What sea creature is known for making pearls? Oysters form pearls inside their shells from sand or irritants. Which sea animal sleeps with one eye open? Dolphins let one brain half sleep while the other stays alert. What is the main diet of a baleen whale? Krill baleen whales filter feed tiny shrimp-like krill from the water. Which ocean animal has no brain or heart? Jellyfish rely on a simple nerve net to move and react. Which sea animal has 5 arms but can regenerate them? Starfish usually have 5 arms and can regrow lost ones. What kind of animal is a sea turtle? Sea turtles are reptiles that lay eggs on sandy beaches. Which sea creature produces ink to escape predators? Squid release dark ink to distract predators and flee. Which fish is known for its clown-like colors? Clownfish have bright orange and white stripes. Which sea animal can blow itself up like a balloon? Pufferfish inflate their bodies to scare predators. What kind of whale is famous for its songs? Humpback whale. Humpbacks are known for long, complex songs used to communicate. What sea animal is famous for building coral reefs? Coral polyps. Tiny coral polyps secrete calcium to build coral reefs. Which ocean animal has the thickest fur in the world? Sea otter. Sea otters have very dense fur to keep warm in cold water. What do you call a fish that lights up deep underwater? Lanternfish. Lanternfish have bioluminescent organs that glow in the dark. Which sea animal has 2 large claws? Crabs use their claws to feed and defend themselves. Which sea creature is often called the sea cow? Manatees are slow, gentle herbivores often called sea cows. Which sea animal moves by floating with the ocean current? Jellyfish drift passively with the water currents. What animal is known for its smile and playful nature? Dolphins appear to smile and are very intelligent and playful. Which fish has a long sword-like nose? Swordfish have a long, flat bill used for hunting. Which ocean zone do anglerfish typically live in? Twilight zone. Anglerfish live in deep, dark waters with little light. What is the world's largest coral reef system? Great Barrier Reef. It's located off Australia and visible from space. Which sea creature can have up to 3 hearts? Octopuses have 3 hearts to circulate blood through their body. What ocean animal has a shell and lives in tiny homes? Hermit crab. Hermit crabs live in borrowed shells for protection. Which ocean animal has a sharp saw-like snout? Sawfish have long snouts lined with sharp teeth. Which of these is not a type of whale? Marlin is a large fish, not a whale. What sea creature looks like a rock but can move? Sea urchin. Sea urchins are spiny, slow-moving creatures found on the seafloor. What is a group of dolphins called? Pod dolphins travel in groups called pods for protection and socializing. Which animal uses a stinger to defend itself? Squid. Some squid can sting with their tentacles and bite with a beak. Which sea creature is known for being a master of disguise? Octopus. Octopuses change color and texture to blend in or hide. What type of sea creature is Nemo from Finding Nemo? Clownfish. Nemo is a clownfish that lives in sea anemones. Which animal has rows of sharp teeth and replaces them often? Sharks lose and regrow thousands of teeth in their lifetime. What animal is known as the king of the ocean? Sharks are top predators and often called the ocean's kings. Great job, quiz champs! How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for playing on MiniToy Quizzer, and remember to like, subscribe, and keep quizzing.